Differences between DNA and RNA. Hello friends, in this class I am going to explain about the differentiate between the DNA and RNA, which are the nucleotides present in organism at the location of the chromosome of every cell. So here DNA, it is a double stranded nucleic acid. That means it is a type of the nucleic acid which is having the double stranded. So and while coming to the RNA, it is single stranded nucleic acid. So and DNA, in DNA, that means a DNA means a deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid. So and the name itself called as a deoxyribose. That means the presence of the sugar in DNA is deoxyribose. And while coming to the RNA, the presence of the sugar name is ribose. So on here DNA, it contains the thymine as a nitrogenous base. Thymine. And while coming to the RNA, instead of the thymine, uracil will be present. And then this is the DNA, which is the genetic and hereditary material of all the cells. So and while coming to the RNA, it is involved in the synthesis of proteins. That means while we are studying about the protein synthesis, which is known as translation process of the proteins, and that the total involvement of the RNA will be seen. So it is present in the nucleus of the cell, and while DNA is present in the nucleus of this cell, RNA will be present in nucleus as well as cytoplasm and even all entire the cell. So mostly the RNA will be seen in the cases of the viruses as their genetic material. So DNA is the genetic material which will be present in humans also. So there is a little bit of the difference between the DNA and RNA, but both are the genetic containing nucleic acids. Here I am showing the differences between the structures of DNA and RNA. The left side structure is RNA, which is single stranded, and right side is a DNA. So here cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine, which are the purines that present in the structure of the DNA.